Hey bro, did you know to get the most activation out of your chest that you have to cross midline while performing chest flies? Hells no, brother! I just lay down on a bench and flap like a bird! Bro, please, you're killing me. There's more to chest flies than that. Make sure when you're doing them, you keep a good bend in your elbow as well. Oh no, brother! I love to feel the exercise in my shoulders too! Bro, you really need to listen. Chest flies are for the chest. You don't want the pressure on your shoulders, but you want the tension on your chest. But how am I supposed to get 2-for-1 deal for the same exercise? Bro, please, don't tell me that you just said 2-for-1 deal. This isn't Domino's. Parkin Fitness here, ready to teach you guys how to fix your tiny, weak, almost obsolete chest. There are two primary actions that your chest performs, which is to horizontally adduct the arms as well as internally rotate them. The bench press is a great way to overload your chest, but it does not take the muscle throughout its entire range of motion. This is why adding chest flies to your routine as well is a great way to take the muscle through its entire range of motion. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 great chest fly exercises to make you feel your chest probably like you've never felt it before.
The cable crossover is a great exercise for isolating the chest. It allows the chest to contract throughout its entire range of motion of horizontal adduction. When getting set up for this exercise, make sure to adjust the pulleys on the cable crossover machine so that they're about shoulder height. Set the pins to your liking, but make sure to choose a weight so that you can perform the exercise with control and so that you don't rip your fucking arm off. Grab the handles and make sure to pull them close to the body. Take a step out while still keeping the handles and the pulleys close to the body. Get yourself set up into about a quarter lunge stance. Position your arms so that your palms are facing each other and your forearms are at about a 30 to 40 degree angle outside the sagittal plane. You will see a lot of people performing chest flies with dumbbells or cables, doesn't really matter, with their arms straight out to the sides. This puts a lot of pressure on the shoulder joint and doesn't actually allow the chest to stretch out any more than it needs to. If you want to look like a fool and hurt your shoulder, keep it up. Make sure, if we were to draw a straight line across your chest, that your arms and your hands are positioned along this line. Our chest muscles perform horizontal adduction as well as internal rotation. This is why we want to perform both of these actions when doing this exercise. Make sure to lean your torso over enough so that the line of pull from the cables performed by the chest is perpendicular to the torso. Now we are ready to fly. Begin by pulling on the cables and bringing the arms together and across the body. The objective of the exercise is to bring the arms across the body and across midline as far as possible. This is the only way that you're going to get the full activation of the chest throughout the entire range of motion of horizontal adduction. As you cross the arms over, I want you to think about internally rotating them as well. The end position will be when your palms are facing down. Keep your body stable throughout the exercise and repeat until your pecs are wrecked. The one-arm cable crossover is a great exercise to isolate the chest muscle of each side of the body. It also adds greater core activation as the pulley tries to pull your body to one side. Set the pulley to about shoulder height. Grab the pulley with one arm and take 1 step to the side and 1 step forward. Get yourself set up into about a quarter lunge stance. Take a deep breath, brace the core, and pitch your torso over slightly. Maintain a bend in your elbow and your wrist straight. Now we will begin horizontally adducting the arm across midline. Pull on the cable in a straight line across the body. Make sure when doing so that you're not rotating your torso to get a little extra movement. This movement will not be coming from the chest, but will be aided by your core and your obliques by rotating your torso. Once you have adducted your arm all the way across your body, begin controlling the weight in your arm to the starting position. Make sure to maintain a good bend in your elbow and to get a good stretch on your chest without overly stretching your shoulder. Repeat until your pecs are beat.
Well, I hope this video helped you get the information that you need to help you along the way to a bigger chest. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, I guess go cry to your teacher about it. I'm just kidding. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and share Parkin Fitness on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Also, make sure to go to parkinfitness.ca. I always forget that. That's parkinfitness.ca. I'm supposed to point, but give me a thumbs up. That's parkinfitness.ca. Here we go.